Mga kapatid, it's time to tear and bring down the spirit of competition sa bawat schools. Wala nang competitions dapat. It's time to bring down the walls of pride and disunity among the body of believers in every school and campuses. And it's time to rebuild the walls of your ancient gate of your school and your campus. It's time to build an altar of worship and prayer in your school. It's time to propagate the fire of revival in your school. And my dream and my vision that Partido State University, PUP Ragay will be a worshiping university. My dream is that Camarines Sur Polytechnic College, University of Northeastern Philippines will be a praying university in the name of Jesus. Mike Serras, Bicol State College, Naga College Foundation will bow at the feet of Jesus and proclaim that Jesus Christ is Lord. Is it impossible? Church, it's not impossible. We've got to see a vision. Kasi kung hindi tayo makakakita ng vision, baliwala po yung gagawin natin or ginagawa natin tonight. You will just study, graduate, find a good job, and that's it. But if you have a vision, you will have a purpose. You will know that purpose right now. Why you are there in our campus. And why God has placed you there. You need to see that vision now. Proverbs 29 verse 18, where there is no vision, the people are unrestrained, but happy is he who keeps the law. Kaya mga kapatid, have you asked God why you're studying in that school? Katulad ni Nehemiah, Nehemiah is an example of a man of God who saw a vision to rebuild the walls. He saw the desolation of God's people and their city, and he got a vision from God to rebuild what had been torn. Sino ba si Nehemiah? He was just a cupbearer of the Persian king. He heard about what happened in Jerusalem. The walls got destroyed. He heard how his people there were greatly afflicted and reproached. Kaya na-break yung heart ni Nehemiah. So he started. Lord gave Nehemiah strategy. And that strategy completed in just 52 days. Imposible ba mabuild yung walls? Imposible. Pero sa Lord walang imposible. Nagawa nga nila Nehemiah in 52 days. He fasted, he prayed, he got the burden, and he was given an authority to build, and he went, at ginawa ni Nehemiah, he mobilized people. It's time to unite the campuses again. It's time to ignite a spiritual revolution again. Declare ninyo to with all passion, with all your hearts, and I want you to get ready. As we declare, there's going to be a stirring up in your heart. Okay? Force. For this cause I will sacrifice. For this cause I will pledge to kneel down and wet the ground with my tears. I will move the heavens with my cries until God sends forth rain and we see salvation spring up from the ground. But I shall not pray only. I will work as if it all depends on me, even as I am already praying as much as it all depends on God. I am my school's hope. I choose to live the difference. I choose to be a revolutionary. Palakpakan natin ang Panginoon. You can take your seats.